Ever found yourself screaming at your dog every time they bark, only to have them bark even louder? What if I told you yelling is actually making things worse and there's a kinder way that works every single time? Stick around, because in the next 5 minutes I'm going to show you the simple swap that turns barking chaos into calm. No yelling required. Hello everyone. We're Lucky Paw Tips on a mission to solve every pet parent's biggest challenges and help you build an even stronger bond with your furry friend. I know how maddening non-stop barking can be, especially when you've already told them quiet 1,000,000 times. Today, we're diving deep into why yelling backfires, the surprising reason your dog keeps barking, and 3 positive training methods you can start using right now to finally get that peace and quiet. Plus, stick with me until the end for a bonus tip that most trainers never share. When you yell, you're basically yelling at their only language vocalization. Imagine if every time you spoke too loudly, someone shouted back at you. You'd probably raise your voice too. That's exactly what your dog does. Yelling triggers stress hormones in dogs, cortisol spikes, heart rates go up, and they get even more wound up. So instead of calming them, you're creating a barking feedback loop. Understanding your dog's bark. Figure out why they're barking. Is it boredom, anxiety, territorial alert? I call it the 3B, bored, bossing, or be scared. Ask yourself, when do they bark? At the doorbell, bossing. When left alone, be scared. At nothing obvious, bored. Pinpointing the reason makes choosing the right response a breeze. Number 1, positive training method. As soon as your dog pauses barking, even for 1 second, mark it and reward. Do this every time. That pause becomes the behavior you want. Within a week, most dogs learn quiet faster than sit, and you never had to yell. Number 2, next, give them something better to bark at. Mental challenges. Puzzle feeders, snuffle mats, even a frozen Kong with peanut butter can occupy them for ages. When they start barking, redirect them, toss them the toy, say find it, and watch their focus shift instantly from bark mode to nose work. Number 3, for barking at triggers like the doorbell, use desensitization. Record the sound at low volume, play it, and reward calm behavior. Slowly crank up the volume over days. This way, your pup learns. Doorbell sound means good things happen, not time to lose my mind. Consistency is key. Even 2 short sessions beat 1 long session. Bonus tip. Before we wrap, here's the bonus tip. The secret most trainers skip that makes these methods supercharge your results. The emotional bank account. Every interaction you have with your dog deposits from their emotional bank account. Rewarding calm behaviors, even with a smile or belly rub, builds trust. So sprinkle in mini deposits throughout the day. A treat for calm lying in their bed, a gentle good dog for waiting patiently. Over time, you'll have a puppy who chooses calm over chaos because they want to. All right, by applying these techniques, no yelling needed. Try these steps this week and let me know in the comments which method worked best for you. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell because we've got more positive dog training tricks coming every week. Thanks for watching, and here's to a quieter, happier home.